Adding immune-boosting foods to your diet can provide remarkable health benefits, helping to fend off illnesses and keep your immune system in peak condition. Here are some top foods recommended by wellnessfitnesspro.com that you should consider incorporating into your daily meals. First on the list are citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These fruits are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a vital nutrient that supports the production of white blood cells, which are essential for battling infections. Next, consider adding red bell peppers to your diet. Not only are they flavorful and versatile in recipes, but they also contain nearly 3 times as much vitamin C as citrus fruits. They are also a rich source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, another nutrient vital for maintaining a robust immune system. Broccoli is another powerful food you should not overlook. This green vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli is most nutritious when consumed raw or lightly steamed to preserve its nutrient content. Garlic has been celebrated for its immune-boosting properties for centuries. It contains allicin, a compound that enhances the immune response by stimulating the multiplication of white blood cells and improving their efficiency in fighting off infections. Adding minced garlic to your dishes can be an easy and delicious way to bolster your immune health. Lastly, do not forget about ginger, which is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger can help reduce inflammation, which can boost the immune system. It can be used fresh, powdered, or as an oil in a variety of dishes and beverages.